FAIR's FAIR has developed several tools to support in FAIR assessment. FAIR Aware is an online self-assessment tool hosted by DANZ. It is mainly aimed at researchers and supporting roles such as data stewards, but can be used by a wide range of stakeholders. FAIR Aware provides an assessment of your knowledge and awareness of FAIR. This tool is not used for the analysis of the fairness level of specific datasets, but it is useful to have a specific dataset in mind as you answer the questions and complete the assessment. The assessment starts with a few questions about you, followed by 10 questions about FAIR. For each question, additional information and guidance will be displayed either by clicking on the information icon or automatically according to how you answer the questions. It will also allow you to state to what degree you intend to comply with the FAIR principles. Most of the questions will help you assess your current level of awareness about what actions must be done to make data fair. As we are continuously improving the tool, we would appreciate feedback so that we can make FAIR Aware as user-friendly as possible. Feedback can be provided at the end of the assessment. The FAIR Aware assessment will take between 10 and 30 minutes, depending on your familiarity with FAIR principles.